In the first theorem, we have seen that endless cycles cannot happen. And we have seen how we proved the first theorem with this assumption by considering the k and k minus 1 values. So we will consider k as the smallest element that is in the descending order. So by identifying the smallest k value, then we can calculate the k minus 1 values. We have seen the k value as the 3, and then we can calculate the k minus 1 means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then between 3 and 2 we can reverse the order of all the elements present in between 2 and 3. So now we will see again that the example of breakpoint reversal sort algorithm, and it may perform the following 4 steps when run on the input these values in order to reduce the number of breakpoints. So when we reduce the number of breakpoints, it means we are arranging the elements in the ascending order. So here we can see in the original form these elements have b pi. B pi means the number of breakpoints that is equal to 6. Here we can see easily the breakpoints are 0, 8, 8, 2, 2, 7, 5, 1, 1, 4 and 3, 9. So we can calculate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are 6 breakpoints when we initially start this permutation. So in the second step, we will reverse the order of first breakpoint 2 and 8. So 2 will replace with 8 and 8 will come in the position of 2. So we can see here 0 and 2 and 8, they will have replaced the orders 2 and 8, and the other are the same. So by reversing this order, and we have also reversing the order, we can see very clearly that when 8 will come in this position, it will become the strip of 5, 6 and 7, and 8 will automatically added in this strip. And when 8 will added, this reduces the number of strips. So we can see in the initially first permutation, we can see the number of strips are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 strips and 6 breakpoints. So when 8 will be replaced in this position, the total number of strips will reduce to 6. So we can see here the number of strips is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And similarly, when the number of strips will reduce, the number of breakpoints will also be reduced to 5. And we can see the number of breakpoints is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will continue to reverse the order of the elements, and as we reverse the order of the elements, the breakpoints will be reduced also, and ultimately we will come to the point when there will be no breakpoint. So in this case, the breakpoint reversal sort steadily reduce the number of breakpoints in every step of the algorithms. So in other cases, for example, the permutation of these elements in this order will have no reversal reduces the number of breakpoints. For example, we can see here that all they are in the reverse order, and we cannot reduce the number of breakpoints by applying this breakpoint reversal sort algorithm. So in order to overcome this, we can simply find an increasing strip. It means that we will exclude the value of pi naught and pi n plus 1. Remember that we have added in the pi 1 to pi n plus 1, we have added two values, pi naught in this direction, and we have added after, sorry, this is not pi n1, this is pi n, and then we will add pi n plus 1 in this direction. So we will add pi naught before pi 1 and we will add pi n plus 1 after pi n. So to overcome this type of problem, we will remove these two, pi naught and pi n plus 1, and after removing these two, we can flip the order in between these two elements. So now we will come up with the improved breakpoint reversal sort algorithm. So it has 8 steps. In the first step, while loop will start and we have the b pi means the breakpoints that should be greater than 0. Then the second step, if loop will apply and pi has the decreasing strip. So those pi which has decreasing strips, they will be sort in the increasing order. In the third step, among all reversals that will be carried out in the second step, choose reversal row that is minimizing. So we know that b pi row is the minimum reversals and it should be greater than b pi. In the fourth step, else condition will apply, and that is that chose a reversal row that flips an increasing strip in pi. So it means that the elements that are in the decreasing order should be flipped so that they become in the increasing order. So the sixth step, we will assign the value pi p to the pi, and after assigning the value, we will get the permutation, that it will be the outcome of this algorithm, and we will get the correct answer.